This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the first actions. Sign into your Google account and open Google Meet. This authenticates your classroom access. Once done, check microphone and camera permissions so devices work when you join. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and headset is connected. A quick audio test prevents interruptions. Finally, create or open the class event and copy the meeting code or link so you can invite students immediately. Next, you configure the class session features and manage participant flow. Once in the meeting, set host controls to manage who can present, chat, or join without approval. This prevents disruptions. Make sure to share your screen by selecting the correct window and enabling audio when playing video. That keeps lessons clear. Use breakout rooms for small groups, start polls for quick checks, and ask students to use hand raise so you maintain an orderly discussion and to finish, follow final steps to close the class and secure resources. End the meeting for all and confirm any recordings have uploaded to Drive so absent students can catch up. Share class notes, slide links, and assignment details via the chat or follow-up email. This reinforces learning. If problems occur, no audio or camera, first check browser permissions and reload the tab, then try a different browser or device. Most issues resolve by restarting hardware or testing another connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.